Have you ever imagined that a simple sweet potato can produce an industrially important enzyme?
What is beta-amylase? Beta-amylase is a starch-degrading enzyme. It breaks large starch molecules into smaller maltose sugar units. This enzyme specifically breaks alpha-1,4 glycosidic bonds present in starch. Because of this property, beta-amylase is widely used in industries that require starch conversion. Sweet potato is selected for this experiment because it contains a high amount of starch and naturally possesses beta-amylase enzyme. It is economical, easily available, safe to handle, and ideal for biotechnology laboratory practicals.
Before starting the experiment, let us arrange all required materials and equipment. We need fresh sweet potato, phosphate buffer, starch solution, DNS reagent, centrifuge, and standard laboratory glassware.
First, wash the sweet potato thoroughly and remove the peel. Then cut it into small pieces to increase the surface area for efficient extraction. Now grind the sweet potato pieces using mortar and pestle. Add chilled phosphate buffer during grinding. This helps maintain enzyme stability and prevents denaturation. The homogenized mixture is filtered using muslin cloth. The filtrate obtained contains crude beta-amylase enzyme extract. Next, centrifuge the filtrate at high speed. This separates unwanted solid particles from the enzyme-containing supernatant.
To test enzyme activity, mix starch solution with the enzyme extract and incubate it. In the iodine test, disappearance of blue color indicates starch breakdown. In the DNS test, orange-red color confirms maltose production.
Beta-amylase has many industrial applications. In the food industry, it is used for maltose syrup production, baking, and brewing. In textile industries, it helps in desizing fabrics. It is also used in paper processing, biofuel production, and biotechnology research.
In this experiment, we successfully isolated beta-amylase enzyme from sweet potato and confirmed its activity through starch hydrolysis tests. This practical demonstrates the importance of enzymes in biotechnology and industrial applications.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this biotechnology practical explanation, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more biotechnology experiments and animated science content.